Cool. My name is Kyle Tate. I'm a zoology major at CSU, and I'm also enrolled in the master's program in zoo and aquarium management as a 4+1 student. I also run a small research organization on the side called Origins Animal Research, where I'm asking questions about how the animal mind works, and I'm currently working with common marmoset monkeys. Ever since I was a little kid, I've been absolutely crazy about animals.
Right.
So, a lot of my, brother and all his friends, and a lot of my friends too, would all go out and, play football and soccer and all that kind of stuff. And I was off in the forest looking for salamanders.
Yeah.
The kind of questions that I'm interested in asking about primate cognition is, particularly with marmosets, which is the species I currently work with, is I'm interested in finding out how they're able to respond to item discrimination trials. So are they able to understand, based on an audible cue that I give them, that I'm trying to prompt them to take this item versus this item? The second stage of the research is then trying to understand whether or not they're capable of dual labeling, which is understanding more than one piece of information applies to a single object.
Right.
So animal behavior has always been something that I've been really interested in.
Right.
And as I've gotten older, I've also become a lot more interested in animal physiology. So learning about how the different organs of the body and all the different kinds of tissues in the body, the different muscle tissues, cardiac tissues, how everything goes together to make a whole complete system. So I got Bubba in 2011 on September 21st. He was taken from an exotic animal auction in Macon, Missouri. I had worked with primates for about 6 years at this point. I had volunteered in a very close capacity with lemurs, with monkeys, and with apes. And I knew that I wanted to have a future that was going to entail my working with non-human primates and asking these sorts of questions about how their brain functions and what that means from an evolutionary perspective. That is what I've done, is I've decided that I wanted